The Cheelee app allows users to make money by interacting with content in a fun and engaging way. Here's how you can make money on the app. Watching videos. Cheelee allows users to watch short videos as part of its content consumption model. By simply watching videos, you can earn rewards in the form of tokens or points, which can be converted into real money or redeemed for other rewards. Interacting with content. The app rewards users not only for watching but also for engaging with content. Liking, commenting, or sharing videos may result in additional earnings. Engaging actively with the platform helps increase your earning potential. Inviting friends. Referral programs are a popular way to make money on apps like Cheelee. By inviting friends to join the platform using your unique referral code, you can earn bonuses or a percentage of their earnings. The more friends you invite, the higher your passive income could be. Completing tasks or challenges. Cheelee may also offer specific tasks or challenges that allow you to earn additional tokens by completing them. These tasks can vary and may include daily check-ins or other interactive activities.